The Water Heater Warehouse provides trusted water heater repair. Fullerton, California services for homeowners who need fast and dependable solutions. Whether your water heater is leaking, making unusual sounds, or failing to produce hot water, our experienced technicians are ready to help. We work on traditional tank and modern tankless systems using quality parts and proven repair methods. Customer satisfaction, honest recommendations, and reliable workmanship are always our priorities. If you are searching for professional water heater repair, Fullerton, California, our team is committed to restoring your hot water quickly while delivering exceptional service you can count on every day. Contact our water heater repair, Fullerton, California today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a water heater repair, Fullerton, California? You can stop looking. You found the Water Heater Warehouse. What's the average cost to repair a hot water heater? The majority of homes spend roughly $600 on hot water heater repairs, which typically cost between $150 and $600. While large repairs like replacing a gas valve or fixing leaks can cost between $300 and $1,000, minor repairs like changing a thermostat or heating element can cost between $100 and $350. What is the most common failure of a water heater? Sediment accumulation is the most frequent cause of water heater failure, which sets off a series of problems. Hard water minerals sink to the bottom of the tank, burning out heating components and ultimately resulting in internal corrosion, tank failure, or catastrophic leakage. Who do you call to come look at a hot water heater? If you need a hot water heater inspected, fixed, or replaced, you should contact a qualified plumber. When it comes to handling gas lines, water pipelines, heating elements, and thermostat controls, they are the most skilled experts. An electrician can be needed if the problem is directly related to your main electrical panel. Where is your service area for the Fullerton, California office? Our local water heater repair Fullerton, California service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Fullerton, Westminster, Santa Ana, Sleepy Hollow, Diamond Bar, South San Jose Hills, Whittier, Norwalk, Lakewood, Cypress, Midway City, Garden Grove, Orange, Villa Park, Santa Fe Springs, Stanton, Los Alamitos, and Yorba Linda. Where is your water heater repair Fullerton, California located? We are located at 1114 East Truslow Avenue, Fullerton, California 92831. Our phone number is 714-244-8562. http://www.thewaterheaterwarehouse.com/